Healthy morning, students. Today we are going to learn one more topic of chapter 6 of science, which is life processes. Let us take a quick recap of all the topic that we had completed. First, we have studied about the life processes. There are mainly 4 life processes: nutrition, respiration, transport and excretion. After that, we have studied 2 type of modes of nutrition. First, autotrophic mode of nutrition, which is generally performed by plants. Second, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, which is performed by all the organism. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition is those nutrition in which organism depend on another organism for the food. Generally, heterotrophic nutrition is performed by or shown by the non-chlorophylous plants or organism. Sorry, not plants. It is shown by all non-chlorophylous organisms like animals. There are 2 types of food material in the heterotrophic nutrition. First, stationary, another mobile, and there are 3 methods of obtaining this nutrition in the organism. In first method, organism break down food outside the body and then absorb like fungi. In second type, organism take whole food material inside the body and this food material break down inside the body. Holozoic nutrition is divided into 3 types, or in this nutrition 3 types of organism include herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. In both type animal kill plant or animal from which it obtain the food. It's not necessary that it always kill the animal, but in third type of organism or third type of the way of obtaining the food, organism derive food or energy without killing plant and animal. For example, Cuscuta, which is amarvel, and all type of worm. Today we are going to study one more type of heterotrophic nutrition, which is performed in amoeba and paramecium. This question is asked in this way: explain nutrition in amoeba and paramecium, or how do single cell organism obtain their nutrition. This is the most important question. Let us study this question through the video. Say, in whole heterotrophs, like we are also heterotroph because we take food outside and we break down inside the body. In heterotroph, mainly 5 processes takes place: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Check it out. This ingestion and egestion, they sound similar, but some difference is there. In ingestion, food enter inside the body, and in egestion, the undigested food throw out of the body. Ingestion, food enter in the body. Digestion, it break down. Absorption, from the food material, whatever thing or whatever required thing extracted from the food, it absorb inside the cell. This is called absorption. Assimilation, that means derivation of energy, and after derivation of energy, whatever unnecessary material or waste material left, it is thrown out of the body through the process of egestion. Let us understand this all by taking example of nutrition in amoeba. First, in the process of ingestion, amoeba form a finger-like projection called pseudopodia. See, this is finger-like projection. It is called pseudopodia. In this pseudopodia, amoeba capture the food. So, the process of capturing food by forming finger-like projection called pseudopodia is called ingestion. See, this is the food, and whatever vacuole form, it is called food vacuole. So, this is the ingestion in which amoeba obtain food by forming finger-like projection called pseudopodia. Now, Next process is digestion. Now in this digestion, this food is breakdown. Now you must have understand why it is heterotrophic nutrition, because food break down inside the body. So now here food is break down with the help of digestive enzyme in the food vacuole. So this process is called digestion. Now check it out. This food is breakdown after digestion. Next is absorption. Now whatever food is broken down inside the food vacuole, it is directly absorbed in the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. Check it out how it happens. Say this is the absorption. Whatever food broken down into the food vacuole, it absorbs in the cytoplasm. This is the absorption. Check it out. Now next process is assimilation. Now whatever food absorbed in the cytoplasm, from that food cytoplasm derive energy. This process is called assimilation. Assimilation, that means derivation of energy. See here, this cytoplasm in the amoeba derive energy by the process of assimilation. Now next is egestion. See what is main purpose by taking food? The main purpose is to derive energy. Now after deriving energy, whatever thing left, that is totally waste material. It is not at all useful for the organism, so it should be thrown out of the body. So this waste material thrown out the body by the process of egestion. Let us see. See, this is the waste material. Check it out. How it thrown out the body. This waste material will capture the cell membrane, and through cell membrane it will throw out the body by the process of egestion. See, this is the waste material. See, again it form, cell membrane captured, and it throw out the body by the process of egestion. So this is how the nutrition takes place in the amoeba. See, another single cellular organism is there, which is paramecium. It also obtain food by the same process, but little bit thing is different over here. Let us study which method is different. See, paramecium also obtain, in paramecium also 4, mainly actually 5 process takes place, which are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. See, this digestion, assimilation, egestion process are same, only the process of ingestion is different. Let us study. See, in the ingestion, this whatever hair-like structure present surrounding the paramecium, it is called cilia. So with the help of this cilia, paramecium captured the food, and through this cilia, food enter inside the paramecium. Check it out. See, this is the food enter inside the paramecium. Once food enter inside the paramecium, rest of all process is same as the amoeba. Now let us read the question. See, mainly this 5 process takes place in heterotrophic nutrition: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Ingestion, amoeba takes in food using temporary finger-like projection called pseudopodia. Check it out. This is pseudopodia where it obtains the food. Next, digestion. Inside the food vacuole, complex substances are broken down into the simple one. See, this is the food vacuole. Well, complex substance broken down in the simple one. Absorption, we know very well. कि cytoplasm absorb. See, here it is the absorption. Cytoplasm absorb the food material. Assimilation, in the cytoplasm only from the food material energy is derived. Egestion, now whatever waste produced after this process, it thrown out. Say, remaining undigested material is removed to the surface of the cell and thrown out. So this waste material thrown out by capturing the cell membrane. So this is the heterotrophic nutrition or mode of nutrition in the amoeba. In paramecium, only the process of ingestion is different. Amoeba capture the food by forming pseudopodia, while paramecium capture the food by forming or with the help of cilia. Rest of all process, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion is same as the amoeba. Read whole answer. Thank you.